Hi, my name is Jenny Penton, founder of Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it is the August Planner Perfect subscription box reveal. Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, I wanted to welcome you to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I coach women how to write a better story. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you our monthly subscription box. It is artwork featured on the planning accessories, the washi, the tip-ins, and the planner and journal book. It is new art each month. And I am here to show you what is going to be in the box, and it is a sneak peek. So enjoy if you want to, and if not, then wait till you get it in the mail, or by today you have to get in on this box. This is the deadline for it. So the subscription box link will be down below. You can go ahead and order it there if that is something that you want to do. We have different variations of the box, so you can get just the planner, just the journal. You can get both. You can get just the accessories, so you can pick what you want. In today's box, I wanted to also just kind of share that it's watercolor. I did watercolor with this box. I used watercolors, and I have it still being remnant of summer. I wanted to make sure that we soak up the sun and get enough of summer from there. Also, though, with just a little bit of back to school. So whether you have littles or not, I just love the whole idea of having a little bit of that, because it just, you can't help but think of like August or late August as being a time when, you know, signifies and signals kids going back to school. So without further ado, I'm going to turn you around and show you the box. Okay, here we go. Here is the Planner Perfect subscription box. In it is the planner and the journal with the stickers, tip-ins, and washi. And it does not have the cover on the books in this video, just for time's sake and for being able to get right to it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it and put it off to the side so that I can do one by one. Whoa. Let's take some of the crinkle paper off. I love to show off the books first. And sometimes artwork from previous boxes, like on the stickers or something, is usually a sign of sometimes what can be next on the books. So here is the August. You know, this seashell, oddly enough, I had painted and it never made it to any of the summer stuff. So I had painted it like early late spring, early summer, and we just never got it into the boxes. So I wanted to make sure that we did. And then I love my palm tree I made this year. It was featured on some stickers, and I put the righteous shall flourish like a palm tree. And I love that because palm trees can completely bend in the storm and then come and pop right back up, which is, we are to be just like that. We are made to be victorious in everything that we do. And I just wanted that to be part of your journal to inspire you. Let's take a look at the backs. Again, this is watercolor. And sometimes I add a touch of some acrylics with this. And I just love it for August. And the back, look at how cute. Isn't that fun? I thought this was a fun backs that just, they go together no matter how you flip it. And I just love it. So when it's in your traveler's notebook or sitting on your desk, it's beautiful to look at front and back. This is an A5 size dot grid. For the box, you can choose between blank dot grid and graph. Let's go ahead, and I'm going to go to the washi, and I'm obsessed about it. So I brought the coconuts over from last month over to the washi. I have sun and I have the seashell. So this is all my artwork on these washi this month. All of it is. Isn't it cute? I'm obsessed, and I hope you are too. Let's take a look at the tip-ins. These tip-ins are pieces of artwork that you can tip into your planner. You can write addendums on the back of them. You can give them away as gifts. You can set it on your, you always get a monthly calendar. You can stick it on your desk. You can pin it to the outside of your planner just to know the date here. It's just a cute little calendar. So we have August with my little beach hat here that I painted. Life is a beach. This beach ball I think debuted last month. This is my lemonade iced tea, or raspberry or cherry lemonade that I had made last year, and so I thought I'd debut it again. I loved this. I just put eat, sleep, barbecue, repeat. This is my watercolored barbecue. We're still barbecuing in August, ladies. Then I took my lemons and I had them designed with them within this construct, and I'm freaking out. When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. This is all my artwork here, and I just thought this looked amazing. Look at how cute that turned out. I love it. And then hello summer, so my seashell. The stickers, this is where you get to see the cute, some of the cute back to school. So again, it's not very much, but it is some. This again is my watercolor. I watercolored and drew the bus and watercolored it. And same with the pencil. I just drew a pencil and watercolored it. This is my apples. I literally drew a chalkboard. This is all me. And watercolored it. And then look at this wine. Planner Perfect Rosé. I'm screaming. I'm screaming. I thought it turned out so cute. Got some library books. My girl reading a book. Her nose is in a book. My apples. My picture, my flowers of watercolor that has been in previous stickers that have not been out for a year. And then on this one, check this out. We got the palm trees and we've got the seashell, we've got the sun, we've got some lemons making some appearances again. We've got the camper, we've got my son's RV that he painted years ago. I love bringing him out when I can. I've got a grapefruit slice here of citrus. And here we start going into some camping. I've got this fun iced coffee latte here. I just thought that was so cute. I watercolored this and it turned out amazing. And check out my marshmallow stick. Again, watercolor. Here's more watercolor. Look at the s'mores. It turned out so good. When I get to see this come to life off my watercolor paper, I scream. So that is my, I'm literally painting on the finest watercolor paper and I just get it translated into stickers. And so I hope that you guys love that. Look at how cute it turned out. You got to have a little bit of all of this. Summer, end of summer. You got an iced coffee, you s'mores, camping, RVing it. It's summer, it's August. And then you've got a little bit of that, that back to school. There you have it, the Planner Perfect Planner and Journal subscription box. Subscribe by today and let me know what you think down in the comments.